Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika here, and I am finally back to making a new video for you all. And I know y'all been wondering where I've been, and I am here to talk to you all as a get ready with me for New Year's Eve. And I have been so sick, so yeah, let's talk about it as I get ready for this New Year's Eve look that I wanted to show you all that I'm gonna do. So yeah, I've been sick, y'all, like so sick. My baby Parker got me sick, and I actually lost my voice completely, and the doctor said I had laryngitis, that I could not talk. I had to take off work for like 2 weeks. And I'm so glad to have my voice back and making videos. As you can see, my glam room is together. So now I'm going to be filming way more videos for you all. And I am so excited. So let's get started on this look. I'm going to go ahead and start by my eyes because I'm going to be using a glitter. So we all know how messy glitter can be. So fix my shirt. So yeah, let's get started. So you're first gonna prime your eyes, and I'm using this Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. And I'm looking down right here at a mirror, so in case if you wonder what I'm looking at, it's a mirror right there. But yeah, I had to go to the doctor, and they gave me a methylprednisolone steroid pills. The first time I went, because I had to go to the doctor twice because I was not getting better. And I had to go figure out what is going on. Like, do I have the flu? What, like, why my voice is coming back after a week? And as you can see, it's still kind of raspy. But yeah, they gave me steroid pills the first time with some magic mouthwash and these pain pills that I didn't take. I took the steroids, but I didn't do the mouthwash. I was just doing regular mouthwash. That didn't work. So when I went back, she told me that I needed antibiotics, and she gave me a steroid shot. And so after that, I took the 5 days of antibiotics, and then I took the steroid shot, and she gave me these cough pills too, and that helped me. So if you ever lose your voice, get a steroid shot and antibiotics, and you'll be so good. And on top of doing that, I drank green tea with honey and lemon in it, like all day long. I drank that, and I rested my voice. I didn't do any talking. I was whispering to my husband and my family members, because just not being able to talk, that was hard for me because I love talking. So yeah, I'm going to be using my eyes, lips, and face palette that I do love by e.l.f. I've used this thing faithfully. And I have other palettes, but I just always go to this because it has all the colors in there. So the first thing you want to do is your transition color. And since this is going to be a glittery look, I want to kind of smoke out my edges. But I want to have my transition color as like a brown type of color. So we're gonna go into this brown right here. So yeah, after I took all that medicine and I rested, and I was just like off work for up to 2 weeks, and I started noticing my voice coming back, I was so happy. So happy with that, because I'm telling you, not being able to talk, that sucks so bad. Like so bad. And then when I wasn't doing that, I was trying to get this room together because I knew I wanted a space where I can just come and sit and film for you all. Come here and lay in my chase lounge over here and edit my videos, and just kind of come have my woman cave where I can just have a space where I can go to come and get ready and to just, you know, be to myself. You know, sometimes as a parent, you want a place to go to yourself, you know. And that's the shower or rooms like this. And now my husband's watching Parker while I come film this for you all. And he's a huge help, so I'm really grateful to have him. We help each other when we need to do stuff, so it works. Okay, and my next transition shade is going to be, let's see, so many colors in here. I'll try to decide which one I'm gonna use. I don't even have an idea. I'm just kind of winging it on this look. We'll probably end up doing this burgundy color right here. See if I can get a little closer so you can see right here. And you want to bring that just slightly lower than the color you just did. Hope I'm not washed out on here. I do have on my ring light and the lights from my vanity. So I don't know. Let me turn off the lights on my vanity and see how that looks. That's probably better, huh? I don't know. Because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. We'll leave it off for now. This does look like you can see a lot better. Okay, now I'm gonna take the black here. But yeah, I really do enjoy making videos for y'all. I'm just glad to hear Parker crying. I'm just glad to have a space where I can do that now. So if y'all have any video requests, leave them in the comment section so that I can get on top of that for y'all. I really miss the way YouTube used to be. Everything is so commercial now. I just love interacting with my subscribers, talking with you all in the comments about, you know, your thoughts on the video. Talk about things you've tried that I can try. But a lot of people don't do that, you know. But that's not me. I want to grow my channel organically and I want to interact with y'all, talk to y'all. Let's just all be friends, you know. Can y'all see that? These lights are hot. Oh, I'm sweating. So I blended that into my crease. Just want to keep blending it really good. And now I'm going to focus some of this black. I'm actually going to get a different brush. So I have a pencil brush now. And you really want to focus this black real dark right here in your outer crease edge. You're going to take this other brush and just kind of blend in them edges. Like so. And do the same for this side. I really want to know where some of y'all are from, where all of y'all are from. We've moved from Shreveport to Dallas and I've been really liking it here. So tell me, where y'all from? Cleaning up just a little fallout there. I'll clean it up a little better with the concealer. Okay, now I'm going to put this NYX Glitter Brilliance in Silver on my lid. But first, before I do that, I'm actually going to put it over a lid color. And I'm first going to spray my brush with some Fix Plus. Well, actually, it's the NYX Dewy Finish spray. Just as good as NYX Plus, Fix Plus. And we're going to go into this silver shade here. And you just want to pat it on. And I have hooded eyelids, so I have to go over where my hood is so that you can actually see the eyeshadow. For those of you with hooded eyelids, you know what I mean. Like when we open our eye, you cannot even see the eyeshadow. So I have to go a little bit higher with my eyeshadow color. So it's coming together. Same thing for the other side. And now for the glitter, I'm actually going to use this eyelash Eye Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive for my glitter. So you're just going to place this everywhere you want the glitter to be. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm actually going to take some a little bit higher than my hooded eyelid. Now we're going to brush off this fallout. I'm actually going to take some tape to get the rest of it off. And that gets all your glitter fallout off. So eyes are done. The eyes ain't all the way done yet. We still have to do liner, lashes, and things like that. And I have to go under the bottom as well. Now we're gonna do foundation. And you all know I use the Infallible. We're gonna clean up under the eye as well. And this is the 109 Classic Tan. I had already primed my face and did my eyebrows before I did this beauty blender. And now going under the eye with this Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. And we're going to bake translucent Airspun powder. Well, not bake, but we're just going to press it into our face. I don't really bake because my skin is dry. And I don't let this sit on long. I just kind of press it into my face. And next, I'm going to be contouring with this Girl Pro Conceal-Expresso. I don't use a lot of this either. Some places I'm going to put it. I actually use a foundation brush to blend it in. Next, I'm going to take this Black Radiance contour palette, and in medium to dark, I'm going to be using this contour shade to kind of go over just a little bit where I put that at. And for my blush, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me in Berry Bay. And it's a really pretty color. And next, for my highlight, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild highlight in Precious Petals. And this is really good. If you haven't gotten your hands on this, I found this in my local Walgreens. First, gonna do my inner corner with a pencil brush. And I'm gonna take some down the bridge of my nose on the tip. I'm gonna take this brush and put some on my high cheekbones. I'm also gonna put some right here in my brow bone. And now we're gonna do lashes and liner. These lashes are Raised Stack Lashes by Joe Michelle Artistry. Look her up on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm gonna be using this IMB Black Lash Adhesive. Okay, and my lashes are on. And now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And y'all, this eyeliner is the bomb. Like, if you have not tried it, you have to go get it. It's the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And it looks like this. And it is so good. It's waterproof too. And you can make the perfect wing with this. Like, oh my gosh, let me see if I can get it. I'm looking in the mirror too, so you want to start here and follow the line of your eye. Just that one line is so precise. You really have to have a steady hand when you do this. And then you want to start right here in the center and go over and just fill that in. Can y'all see that? And you're not supposed to pull on your eye, but I'm gonna just kind of pull on my eye a bit to go over the lash band. Alright, got that side done. Now let's do the other side. Okay, so eyes are done. Now it's time for the lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with this Colourpop Rooch. And you want to come in some with your edges. So that's how you want to line your lips. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Missy and Fierce. It's a really pretty red. You just kind of want to put that in the center and go. You don't want to put any more on the brush. You just want to kind of blend with what's left on the brush. And our look is complete. But now we'll have to spray in our face first. Alright, Alright, you guys, hold on, let me fix my sleeves. And this is the look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all found it helpful. And whatever you do for New Year's, I hope you all have a safe and happy night. And I hope you all just get what you're looking forward to in the future and keep pushing forward for your dream. And I'll be praying for you all, and I will see you all in 2018. Bye-bye.